Hello, guys. Firstly, we will talk about proof of work, which is one of the um, biggest consensus mechanisms. Actually, proof of work was popularized by Bitcoin in 2009, but uh, just years back, just 20, almost 20 years back, it was combating email spam in 19th. I mean, so still it remains one of the most secure and battle test consensus mechanism. So you can see from the image. I mean, you can understand something from the image. So actually, how it works, we will talk about how it works. So miners, there are some miners compete. These miners compete to solve a cryptographic puzzle. So the puzzle actually is a number, random number. So when combined with the block data and hashed, I mean they're trying to solve a hash. So actually this is a brute force computational race. They are trying to crack that hash. So actually, the difficulty adjusts automatically to maintain consistent block times. In Bitcoin, blocks are created approximately every 10 minutes, regardless of total network computing power. Miners, firstly, miners collect pending transactions into a candidate block. They repeatedly hash the block with the different nonce. The first miner to find a valid hash broadcasts the block, and then other nodes verify the solution. So if valid, the block is added to blockchain. The winning miner receives the block reward plus transaction fees. I mean, proof of work actually. Uh, uh, Proof of work comes from making attacks expensive. I mean, 51% attack and rewrite the blockchain. An attacker will need to control more than half of the network's computing power and maintain that control long enough to create an alternative chain. So for Bitcoin, this would cost billions of dollars in a hardware and electricity. Uh, I mean, this is directly This is directly ensure the decentralization. I mean, none of them. I mean, you can think like that. There's a miner which is giving 51% of the total which is controlling the 51% of the system. And I mean it is almost impossible. So there are a million of miners. All of them are trying to crack the hash, trying to crack the puzzle. One of them is solving and getting the reward. So I mean the others also. Uh, in this system, if you put some work, you are getting your reward, and this is totally decentralized. I mean, there is no miner who can who can give the 51% of the power of the system. So that's why proof of work actually it is really true. We can say that through decentralization. But the thing is that the problem of this consensus mechanism, so they are it is spending too much energy actually. So as I said before, security is cool through decentralization. Uh, these are the advantages actually. But if you talk about disadvantages, so environmental impact. I mean, Bitcoin alone consumes energy comparable to entire countries. I mean, it's almost it is too much. Actually, maybe it is higher than some countries. So this is there is latency. I mean, block confirmation takes significant time. So for Bitcoin, 60 minutes for reasonable security. I mean, it's 60 minutes. I mean, as I said before, vested computation. So just computational work serves no purpose behind beyond security the network. So uh, we can give an example. Bitcoin's hash rate, I mean, is approximately 400 exahashes per second. This means miners collectively perform 400 quintillion hash calculations every second. This is massive, actually, guys. This is massive computational effort secures the network, but consumes, and I mean, it's a huge, it's a enormous energy. So to recap, there are some miners. They are trying to solve the puzzle. If they solve, they are getting fee. That's it. I mean, end of the day, all most of them. I mean, all of them are getting some fees. So this consensus mechanism is cool for decentralization. It is solving decentralization. It is solving centralization problem. But the thing is that the disadvantages of this system, we are spending. I mean, the miners spending too much energy. I mean, there are some. Environment, environmental impact. I mean, bad impact. So wasted computation. I mean, high latency is another problem also. So for the proof of work, for I mean, the proof of work is working like that. I mean, there are some pros and cons. I mean, advantages and disadvantages. Uh, we will talk about proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, proof of authority too. But it's enough for the proof of work. It's working like that actually.